In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the HTML code from your Wix website. We'll walk through the steps in a clear and easy manner, ensuring you feel confident by the end of our session today. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, go to the specific website you want to retrieve the HTML code from. Now, this is essential because we need to be within the editor itself to access the HTML. Navigate to the Wix editor, which is the workspace where you can make changes to your site. It includes all the design tools and features at your disposal to customize your website's appearance. Once you're in the editor, turn your attention to the scroll bar. You'll want to right-click on it. This action will open a contextual menu with several options. What we're interested in today is the Inspect option, which is a powerful tool often used by web developers. It allows you to peek under the hood of your website and see the coding that powers it. Next, click Inspect. This will open the browser's developer tools, typically located at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your browser settings. From here, you'll see several panels of information, ranging from network activity to performance metrics. For our purposes, we want to focus on the Elements tab, which is your next click from within the developer tools. The Elements tab is crucial because it contains the structure and content of your current web page, written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now comes the satisfying part, finding the HTML code you came here for. Inside this tab, you'll see a cascading list of your site's components, all rendered in HTML. As you hover over each element in the code view, corresponding elements in the web browser will be highlighted. This is especially helpful if you're looking for a specific section of your site to extract or examine more thoroughly. Remember, while you're exploring this HTML code, it's best practice not to make changes directly within this panel unless you are entirely sure of what you are doing, as altering code here can affect how your website displays or functions. By understanding these steps, you'll become more familiar with how your Wix website functions behind the scenes. With this newfound knowledge, you have the power to delve deeper into web design, enhance your Wix site, and explore further customization options. That's it for today's session, and as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to follow along for more insightful guides.